Hello and welcome to my channel, and today, false nails. So a company called Alldashing has contacted me to see if I wanted to try out their nails, their false nails. These are stuck on with little plastic tabs. As you know, I do, if you've been here a while, I do wear a lot of false nails, but mainly with glue. But I have previously used certain sets with tabs, but not for a little while. So I had a look on the website, liked the look of a few of the designs, and because they were going to send them to me free of charge, yes, please, let's give them a go. So the set I'm going to put on today, I'm going to just put you on a different angle, and so you can look down on the nails, and I'll talk them through with you. So these are the nails in the box, aren't they? Absolutely lovely. I was really pleased to receive those. I think they'd make such a lovely gift. On the reverse of the box are a set of application instructions, and they also have on the on their website a little short video on how to apply them. But obviously I'm going to show you how to do it in the video shortly. Alldashing have been very kind to give me a voucher code for all of you, and I'll pop those details in now, and that is for 3 boxes for the price of 1. Any details that I talk about today will be linked in the description box below, all the codes, the website, the names of the nails that I've got, etc. So let's get on with putting some of these nails on. So within each pack you get 30 nails, all different sizes, 2 nail prep pads, 2 sets of extra sticky tabs, file, and a little cuticle device. So to start with, we need to prep the nails, so I need to push my cuticles back and clean them with the nail prep pad. So let's do that next bit. So the set I've gone for, I'll just pop a little picture in now so you know what they're called. So what I'm going to do next is prepare the nails. So you need to clean them with the nail prep pad. This has just got some sort of alcohol on, just to make sure you're getting rid of any oils or moisturisers or lotions that are on your nails. So clean the fingernails thoroughly. And then you just use a little wooden stick just to push the cuticles back. So what I'm going to do first of all is open these up and then size them up to my actual own nails so I know which ones I'm going to be using. Okay, so that's them out the pack. What I didn't realise is these actually come with the little tabs already attached to them. So the 2 spare little strips we've got there means I've got spares. So these nails are actually reusable, which is brilliant. And then you get the spare extra sets there, which means out of 1 set you're going to probably get about five lots of nails out of that, 5 wears, which is fantastic value for money. Right, what I'm going to do now is actually size them up against my own nails. So on the back of the nails I've actually got numbers so you can identify them. So for example, that is a number 1. So I'm just going to set them all out now as to the ones I want to use today. So what you do is, without taking the tab off, you can just put it against your fingernail in the fingernail bed. You need to make sure that it covers the whole nail but doesn't overlap. So for example, that one is a perfect fit for my thumb. So because they've got the 2 different colours, we've got the sort of, what would you call that? It's not, is it a mauvey colour? It's not quite nude, it's a little bit, it's not as pinky as a nude. That one's more of a nude, I think, or a beige. But because we've got all of those and then the accents pick up the 2 colours there, I'm going to put a mixture of nails out here. So I'm going to match them all up to my fingernails now. It's the great thing about getting 30 in the pack. It means you've got a real selection of sizes to try, because obviously everybody's got different shaped and size, different sizes of nails. Right, okay, that's them all ready now. So I'm going to start applying them. All you have to do is peel off the little bit at the back and then push them down. Push them down into the nail bed, make sure it's closer to the cuticle as possible, and then you just put some pressure on there for about 30 seconds. What's great about these is because you're not using the glue, you're not damaging your nails. My nails are in a terrible state at the moment because I've gone from a acrylics than to false nails with glue, and they're just absolutely destroyed. So I'm hoping by using these with the sticky tabs, my nails will come back a bit, get back to life a bit. Look at that, that's beautiful, that accent one, I really like that. So I'll just carry on putting the rest on now, and I'll show you what they look like. So that's the first hand done, they're really nice. What you can do as well with the, you can file these down a little bit if they're not quite the shape you want, or sometimes at the end you've got a little bit of extra plastic where they've obviously come out of a mould, so you can just quite easily just get rid of that with the nail file. Right, let's go on to the next hand now. This, I cannot tell you, these are so quick and easy to use. You're not getting in any mess with glue. I end up getting glue everywhere or sticking the nails where they shouldn't be stuck. But with these, you just don't get in that mess, and they're just so quick. So a set like this normally would last me, I would be able to wear for at least a week before they start coming off. So that is a very easy way of doing a bit of a manicure at home. So there they all are, all done. Simple as that. They feel very tough. I know a lot of other brands of nails I've used before, the sticky tabs haven't been very strong, but these feel nice and stuck in place. So yeah, there they are. Very, very easy to do. Really, really pleased with those. So we're all done. Very easy, very quick, no mess. They should hopefully last me for about a week. They've got some beautiful designs on the website, different nails. So worth having a look over on their site to see if you're interested in buying some of these, and I'll pop the discount code in again below. So thank you Alldashing for contacting me. Really like your product. As I said earlier, would make a lovely gift for someone, if not yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.